Hi guys, hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you something particular, very interesting for the AI workflow. I think it could be a shorter video than others, and but I think it's very important to show you this new workflow and this new model. I want to thank this creator, Smuel Ronen. Sorry if I misspell his name. I leave all in description his work with many ComfyUi node, very interesting. And today I want to show you this node here. Working in AI could be very cool and very demanding in terms of hardware and software. And one of the topic of AI it's upscale. If you're working with a professional point of view and you have to work with to deal with proportion and ratio and of course definition, you need to upscale your work. And with images, it's quite simple. We use in our workflow Upscaler, or you can use Upscale like this, like gigapixel. But when we are talking about video, okay, the panorama change a lot, because video it's another world. But today I want to show you that we can upscale our video. Okay, the if you want or if you had to if you have to upscale your video, you probably should work with Topaz. Topaz Lab has this suit, very cool and very expensive, but it's the top of the market today. I'll surely buy one of um, th- this video AI in the future. But today I want to show you something different, something you can use to enlarge your video without spending nothing. All open source. So we have to just install this video upscaler with model. And how we do this? It's quite simple, of course. You have to go in your I'm using a XDL folder because I have XDL Stable Diffusion XL in a folder and Flux in other folder, and I want to install this video model in Stable Diffusion XL. So you have to go in your custom node. You have to type cmd to go in the register or in this command in the system32 command prompt, and we are of course in this folder. If you want to move in folder, remember cd dot dot to go level up, or cd in this case custom underscore nodes to go in the right folder. We are in custom node, and you have to just to copy this git clone, also the git, okay, git clone and everything, okay, and it will install in your in your ComfyUi custom node this folder here, okay, and that's all, and that's all for the workflow. After this, you have to work with, of course, Upscaler. Okay. In my work, I just work with the ultra sharp. I work with this NMKD super scale. You can work with ever you want, and you have to um, to um, to put them in here. So ComfyUi, models, and of course upscale models. I have these two. But another thing very interesting is this repository, Open Model DB, where you can find whatever you need to work with Upscaler. There are tons of Upscaler, just for anime, just for Pokemon, just for RBG, image. So it's a very interesting and very live community that create tons of this upscaler specific for pure photo span. So this is for text. I saw one for our letters. Let me see right here. Text to HD versus one. So you can choose. I'm choose this license commercial. Okay, and you can find a lot of your and you can try each upscaler for your purpose. Every upscaler work with a specific, this 8K span for the skin. This is for for the lines, or for the cartoons again. um, you have to try and to work with this kind of upscaler. In my workflow, I'm just using these two, ultra sharp, very standard, and this 8K and MDK super scale. Remember, the more the more upscale you want to use in terms of quality, the more hardware you need. So once you have create your folder, you can open your workflow, and you can use this one example workflow. You can click this and you can download. Okay, you can download this JSON file, and you can put in your ComfyUi workflow, and this is your workflow. Okay, it's very simple, just a bunch of node. Remember, use here your upscaler, of course. I'm using this nearest exact as upscale method, or bilinear. Factor 2, so it will multiply by 2 your image, your video. Device strategy, auto. This will choose the best for your hardware. Not if you want, you can use your CPU. Remember, it's deeply slow. So okay. Report memory, it's very important if you handle with out of memory, and aggressive cleanup, it's not important for now. This you could collapse it. Okay, it's not important. You have to upload your video. In my case, I just upload a 720p video, 5 seconds. So a HD video, not a full HD, but just a H video, because this method it's very heavy. So I just want to try the result, and you can see here we have the result. Double. Wow, it's impressive. The quality, it's quite interesting. I mean, look at my hand, look at the ring, my skin. Okay, so this is a video. Now we can see this is the input video. As you can see, we have right now 1280 by 700, okay, 30 PS. Remember, it's very important. And then we have this one. Wow, 1440 and 2560, the double. Okay. And in terms of render time, here we have I spend 900 seconds, okay, 15 minutes. To upscale 123 frames, okay. If you deal with a 16 photogram per second, a 16 FPS video, you have to double this value because you'll have double of frames. And the same is for the resolution. If you start with this resolution 1440 by 2560, okay, and you want to double it, you can handle with 1 hour or 2 hours of render time. I'm working with a 4060 Ti with 16 giga. I want to expand it, maybe with a 4090. I don't know if I can grab it, but it's a very, very powerful tool. I just doubled my video in terms of resolution. Okay, this is a 2K and 1K with video in 15 minutes without spending an euro. So I think it's quite interesting. You can, of course, multiply by 4 this value. It's demanding in terms of hardware, and the quality it's not so good, because you will face with hard and sharpen edges with dark edges. So in my opinion, it's quite good to work with the two times factor. And remember, if you're using this 8K, 2 times it's 4. Okay, if you are working with this. Oh wow, no, I don't want to reboot my PC right now. Okay, so you can work with this simple workflow with ease. I think it's quite powerful. Thanks again to Ronen or Samuel. I don't know. Sorry if I misspell your name. Sorry, guy. Your work is awesome, and thank you guys for this repository. It's very interesting, very cool repository for upscaling. Okay, and remember, upscale it's one of the most important thing in AI. If you're working with, of course, professional purpose. Okay. So guys, for today it's all. I know it's a shorter video, but I just want to show you this feature, very powerful and very easy. So let's try if you are able, and I hope this kind of video could help you in your AI journey. And thank you guys for your support, for your messages, for your comments, for everything. I'm Edoardo. I'm from Italy. Okay. It's impossible for me to hide this Italianishness, ok? So I hope to see you next video, e per oggi è tutto. Quindi ciao.